All right, so now we'll start. Anyways, go with question number 5 first. Yes, question number 5. I give you 2 minutes to solve it, and then we will launch the poll. Yes, first of all, poll for the first question. There you go. Mark your answers for the first question. Bombay. Okay. Others also attempt. Yes, anybody else? All right. Somebody marked answer Bombay. Yashwant, is that you? See, question number 5 is integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x square plus ln of pi plus x upon pi minus x dx. Now, if you split it into two integrations, so one comes minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x square dx, and one comes up minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 ln of pi plus x upon pi minus x dx. Now, if you realize this is an odd function, this function, this is an odd function. Am I correct? So being an odd function, integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is going to be 0. Now you are left with this one. So this is an even function. I can write it 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 x square dx. Correct? Okay, now I missed one thing. There's a cos x also. Dx into cos x. So no problem. We will split the cos x along. So x square cos x dx plus this much into cos x dx. Now, even if you include cos x here, this is still an odd function. So this is going to be 0. Now you are left with integration 0 to pi by 2 x square cos x dx. Now I have to use by parts to get through it. So I'll consider this one as first and this one as second. So 2 times first integration of second cos x integration is sin x. Limit from 0 to pi by 2 minus integration derivative of first 2x integration of second, that is sin x dx. Got it? So it is 2 times. Now if I put the upper limit, it will be pi square by 4 minus 0 minus 2 outside 0 to pi by 2 x sin x dx. Am I correct? Now it is pi square by 2 minus 4 times. Again use by parts. So first into integration of second, cos x integration is minus sin x. Tejasvi, are you getting? Minus integration, derivative of first, sorry, sin x integration is minus cos x. Derivative of first one is the integration of second dx, correct? So it is, this limit is from 0 to pi by 2. So this is getting 0 at pi by 2 as well as at 0. So it is pi by 2 minus 4 times. Now this will be minus 4 times, this minus minus will become plus 0 to pi by 2, it is cos x dx. And 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx is 1. So answer is pi square by 2 minus pi square by 2 minus 4. Pallavi, Pallavi, Suraj, Suraj. Well, next question. Question number 6. Give it a try. Now the poll for you. Yes. Mark your answer. Others also try. Well, now let's try. See, this is a simple question. You just have to do first of all x square as t. So its derivative is written over there. Isn't it? If I assume x square as t, then x dx will be dt upon 2. So your integration will become from ln2 to ln3 sin t upon sin t plus sin of ln6 minus t, and dx became x dx became dt by 2. Am I correct? Now apply property 4, where you will replace x as ln2 plus ln3 minus x. That is, x is replaced by ln6 minus x. So it is ln2 to ln3 sine of ln6 minus t upon sine of ln6 minus t, half of this. Got it? Now, one equation is this, other equation is this. Add both of them. So 2i will become half integration ln2 to ln3. It will be sine t plus sine ln6 minus t divided by sine t plus sine ln6 minus t dt. They are cancelled. So it is 1 by 2 integration ln2 to ln3 1 dt. So it will be half of integration. Integration is done x ln3 minus ln2. So 1 by 2 ln of 3 by 2. Got it? Now you divide by 2 because it is 2i. So I is 1 by 4 ln of 3 by 4. Am I clear? Anybody? Yashwant, Priyanka, did you get it? Pallavi, Suraj. All right. Now let's go for it. First of all, attempt question number 7. Read it, go through it, solve it. Let the straight line x equal to b divides the area enclosed by y equals to 1 minus x whole square, y equal to 0, x equal to 0 into two parts. R1 x lies between 0 to b and R2 b lies between, x lies between b to x. Such that R1 minus R2 is 1 by 4. Then the value of b they are asking. Yes, give it a try. Now mark your answer in this poll section. Calcutta, okay. Quickly try, write the area. See, question number 7. That's it. Question number 7 is the graph is this. Y equals to 1 plus x minus 1 whole square. So this is your graph like this. Yes or no? This point will be 1 comma 0. This point will be 0 comma 1. Because while y is 0, x is 1, while x is 0, y is 1. So this is the area they are talking about. Now there is a line x equal to b. This is dividing the two areas in such a way that R1 is for x lying between 0 to b and b to 1. That R1 minus R2 is 1 by 4 given here. R1 minus R2 is 1 by 4. Now R1 plus R2 is what? That is integration 0 to 1. 1 minus x ka whole square dx. Yes or no? So R1 plus R2 is what? X minus 1 ka cube upon 3 limit from 0 to 1. So it will be 0 minus 1 by 3. So R1 plus R2 is 1 by 3. And R1 minus R2 given to me as 1 by 4. Add both of them. Then twice of R1 you are getting 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, 7 by 12. So R1 is 7 upon 24. Correct? Now R1 is what? They are asking for the value of B. That means integration 0 to 1. 1 minus x whole square dx 0 to b will be 3 upon 24. So it becomes x minus 1 whole cube by 3 limit 0 to b is 3 upon 24. So x minus that would be b minus 1 whole cube is 1 by 3. It will become 0 पे value minus of minus 1 by 3. So plus 1 by 3. R1 plus R2 is 1 by 3. R1 minus R2 is 1 by 4. If I add both of them, I get 2R1 as 7 upon 12. So R1 is 7 upon 24. Now 0 to b x minus 1 ka whole cube dx is 724. R1 is this area. So it becomes b minus 1 whole cube minus 1. So it will be plus 1 by 3. Yes, I made a mistake actually. Is 3 upon 24. That is 1 by 8. Got it? Still there is some mistake. X minus 1 whole cube by 3 limit equals 0 to b. So b minus 1 whole cube plus 1 upon 3 is 3 by 24. So why it is 3 by 24? It is basically 7 by 24. 7 by 24. So it will become 7 upon 24. 24 say it will go 8. So b minus 1 whole cube is 1 by 8 minus 1. That is minus 1 by 8. B minus 1 became 1 by 2. So B became 1 plus 1 by 2. That is what, again there is some mistake. Just a moment. Let the straight line x equal to divide the area enclosed by this into two parts, R1 0 to B, R2 B to 1, such that R1 minus R2 is 1 by 4. So R1 minus R2 1 by 4, I calculated R1 plus R2, which will be integration 0 to 1, 1 minus x ka whole square. So it is x minus 1 ka whole cube by 3, with 1 it is 0, minus of minus 1 it is 1 by 3. R1 plus R2 is 1 by 3, R1 minus R2 is 1 by 4. If I add both of them, then 2R1 becomes 7 by 12, so R1 becomes 7 by 24. Now 0 to b x minus 1 ka whole square dx. This answer should be 7 upon 24. Value of b I am getting 3 by 2. No, no, no. It is 7 by 8 minus 1. So minus 1 by 8. So b minus 1 become minus 1 by 2. So b becomes 1 minus 1 by 2. So answer of b is what? 1 by 2. Got it? Just the calculation only, as the question was very easy. Have a look. Got it? Now, try this question number 8. Quickly. Quickly answer in the poll section. Yes, there you go. Mark your answer in this poll. Yes. Now, nobody has been able to do it as of now. See, the question is, I equals to, this is basically they're asking you to follow the limits. Limit x approaches to 0, integration 0 to x, t ln 1 plus t upon t to the power plus 4 upon x cube. See, we will use LH rule because it is a 0 by 0 form. So it will be limit x approaches to 0. Derivative in the numerator, it will be x ln of 1 plus x upon x to the power 4 plus 4 into x squared the derivative 2x. Correct? This x cancelled. Now if you want to put x equals to 0, numerator will become 0. Denominator will be something like 4. So answer is what? 0. Got it? Suraj. Next question. Integration pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 greatest integer of 2 sin x dx. Options are minus pi, 0, minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Yes, give it a try. All right, Priyanka saying B. Others also, please. Now see, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, it is 2 sin x greatest integer. All right. See, the graph of 2 sin x is like this. This is the graph between pi by 2, value will be 2, and then it will be pi, then it is 3 pi by 2, comma, minus 2. Got it? So in this interval, somewhere it will be 1 also. Like as I assume here. This is y equals to 1 line. And this is y equals to minus 1 line. Got it? So this point will be pi minus pi by 6. And this point will be pi plus pi by 6. Now, the question will become pi by 2 to 5 pi by 6. Pi by 2 to 5 pi by 6, value of the greatest integer will become 1. Then pi by 6 to pi, it is going to be 0. Then pi to pi plus pi by 6 means 7 pi by 6. It is going to be minus 1. And then integration 7 pi by 6 to 2 pi, it is going to be minus 2 dx. Am I clear? Now, if you simplify it, you will get your answer. So, first part will be 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 2. Another one will be pi minus 7 pi by 6. And last part will be minus 2 times 2 pi minus 7 pi by 6. Okay, it is up to 3 pi by 2 only. Got it? So it will be 3 pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 6. Now I think you will be able to simplify it. Yes or no? Suraj? Yes, quick. Have a look. Got it? Now, let's start with question this. This is a very amazing question. This came in JEE Mains twice and this came in JEE Advanced in 2000 year only. Go with this question number 6. Yes, anybody? See, fx is given to you as 1 to x ln t upon 1 plus t dt. Now they are asking for like fx plus f of 1 by x. So first of all, let us see what is f of 1 by x. F of 1 by x will be 1 to x replaced by 1 by x. It is ln t upon 1 plus t dt. Now replace t as 1 by u. So dt will be minus 1 by u square du. So limits will become 1 to x ln of 1 by u upon 1 plus 1 by u minus 1 by u square du. Am I correct? So it will be from 1 to x minus of ln u upon 1 plus u into du. One u will get cancelled out and both minus will become positive. So this can also be written as 1 to x ln t upon t into 1 plus t dt using property 2 of the integration. Alright, now if you add both of them, that is fx plus f of 1 by x, it will be from 1 to x. So one is ln t upon 1 plus t. Another is ln t upon t times 1 plus t and then dt. Got it? So from 1 to x, take ln t upon 1 plus t common. You are left with 1 plus 1 by t dt. So it will be from 1 to x ln t upon 1 plus t and here it goes 1 plus t by t dt. Now this is cancelled. So what you are left with? 1 to x ln t by t dt. That is ln t square by 2 limit 1 to x. So that goes ln x whole square by 2. Correct? This is what you got. Fx plus f of 1 by x. Now hence show that f of e plus f of 1 by e, they are asking put x equals to e. So f of e plus f of 1 by e is 1 by 2. Got that? Have a look. Priyanka, did you get that? Now, go with question number 7. This is an easy treat. Question number 7. 0 to pi e to the power cos x upon e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x. Yes, yes. Pallavi, you guys are not able to speak or you don't want to speak? Priyanka, Pallavi. How are you trying? Switch on your mic first. Did you guys get question number 7? Answer. Answer to question number 7 quickly. See, pi is integration 0 to pi e to the power cos x upon e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. Got it? Replace x by pi minus x using that property 4. So it will be 0 to pi e to the power cos pi minus x will be minus cos x upon e to the power minus cos x plus e to the power cos x. Now if you see their denominator is same. So if I add both of them, I will get 0 to pi 1 dx. Answer will be pi. So I is pi by 2. Got it? Now, question number 8. See, question number 8. I is integration 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 upon 1 minus x plus x square dx. Alright. So I can write it tan inverse of denominator can be written as 1 plus x into x minus 1. And numerator may I can write x minus 1. So numerator is still 1, isn't it? So it is integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x minus tan inverse of x minus 1 dx. So it is 0 to 1, keep tan inverse x separate, minus 0 to 1, it will be tan inverse of x minus 1 dx. Got it? Now in this particular part, we will go with this part only. In this particular part, use that property 4 and replace x by 1 minus x. So it will become 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x minus 1 dx. So that is 0 to 1 tan inverse of minus x dx. Now if I take this minus sign outside, it will make the other minus sign positive. So that is also already there, tan inverse of x dx. So it became 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx minus plus 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. So it is 2 times integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. Got it? Now they are asking to evaluate it. Now let us assume this is P, that is 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. Take 1 along and use by parts. So first integration of second, derivative of first 1 upon 1 plus x square, integration of second x dx. Now at 1 it will be pi by 4 minus 0 to 1. I write it 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. So what I did, I multiplied and divided by 2. So it is my pi by 4 minus half ln of 1 plus x square, limit 0 to 1. So pi by 4 minus half of ln 2. This is your p. So your integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 ln 2. And the question that they asked 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 upon 1 plus x square minus x dx. This was 2 integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. So that is pi by 2 minus ln 2. Got it? Have a look. Understood, girls? Right. Now just fill this poll. So that would be all for the day. Work hard, practice more and more questions, as many as you can. Thank you so much.